Meme coins are popping off everywhere and it's easy money. How are you going to participate? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Davinci Jeremy, 5 here in Dubai. I hope you're doing well. Oh man, it's been a good weekend and I hope you enjoyed the live show that I did yesterday. You know what? I forgot to hit the end button last night. And yeah, we kept running through. But anyways, I just ended it to this morning once I finally saw that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoyed also my video on Saturday. So pretty much I'm doing videos Monday to Sunday every single day. So make sure you tune in and hit the subscribe, hit the like. Thank you for coming every single time to my shows. I really appreciate all you diehard fans out there. Thank you very much. All right, so meme coins. Yes, we're going to be talking about meme coins. And if you're interested in getting meme coins, you can get them on many different exchanges, right? Of course, you can get them at bybit.davincij15.com, 2bit.davincij15.com, or even coinw.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. Okay, we're going to show you that my meme coins are actually doing extremely well. And yeah, I know what you're thinking. What? That don't make no sense. Yeah, for the logical people out there, people who have IQs above 150, you're like, what? And you have to understand, there's a lot of people who don't have a lot of money. And so they've seen what Bitcoin did. And then they're thinking, well, I want to do the same thing with the next cryptocurrency that's supposed to come out, that's supposed to do the thing. But I want to be able to buy a lot of it, right? For small amounts of money that I've got, and hold on and see my riches come true. And you're like, yeah, but dude, there's trillions of them and that's not going to happen. Yeah, but they don't understand that. And even though I'm explaining it to you now and you're like, oh, I get it, then why should we buy this stuff? The reason why is because not everybody's watching my show. and then they're going to buy it. And prices are going to go rising. And so you might as well tag along and sell near the top. And it's really simple. All you're going to do is put in a tiny amount of your wealth into these cryptocurrencies. So if you have $1,000 to invest in crypto, how much should you put into it? About 0.1%. And that is, for $1,000 is $1, right? To any particular crypto of meme coin. Because why? You can get trillions of them for that $1. And so, you know, you can see these things do like a 1,000x or something like that. And you know what? That's great. That's great. If it gets 1,000x, that's amazing. You should sell half, of course, if it doubles, right? Or you could wait for the 1,000x if you just put in $1 or $100, right? Because if $100 is like, well, throwaway money, then go ahead. But whatever's throwaway money to you, right? You could wait for the big payoff on one of these coins and then go ahead. And I have to go into the news and I can see why. Topped by Solana's Jupiter. Solana's Jupiter outpaced established Ethereum-based Uniswap 3 in the 24-hour volume, right? And Solana's decentralized exchange DEX, Jupiter, has surpassed the well-known Ethereum-based Uniswap 3 in daily trading volume. Okay, the reason why is because meme coins. People are buying meme coins. It doesn't matter if you think it's dumb. It doesn't matter if you think it's a waste of money. People are going to do that. Why? Because people spend a lot of money on lottery tickets. A lot of money. Look, $108 billion on lotto tickets, and your chances of winning are next to nothing. And so for most people, they're going to put their money into this as a lotto ticket. These meme coins as a lotto ticket. Yes, it's a bad idea. I agree 100%, but they're going to do it anyways. And so you have to accept that. And once you do, you just have to profit from it. That's it. And so that's why I talk and joke about buying Shiba, Dogecoin, and all those other cryptocurrencies that are meme coins. But I'm not telling you to hold for the long term. No. There's a point in time when you're going to need to take profits on these cryptocurrencies and walk away. Let's talk about that with Shiba. Okay, so let's head over to Shiba right now. Shiba, right? Yes, it's headed down right now, but I said to buy a long time ago, but that's okay. It's still early on in the game. Shiba and Dogecoin will get their time in the sun, probably after all the other meme coins die off. Then people are like, okay, well, maybe I should try Shiba because Shiba's established meme coin. And yeah, it's still the same thing, right? But this meme coin is established and it will eventually break out from this weekly W's here. And then once it does, you're going to at least get at the minimum from here to here. Let's just say right here, at a minimum, and we break this way, a double on your money at the very least, right? And so you might say, well, that's not enough. That's not enough. Yeah. So consider that when you invest, right? And if you want bigger returns, you're gonna have to find it in other areas. But I really think that Shiba will do a lot more than that. I think it will do a lot more, and we'll talk about that in my private group where I think Shiba is going to go. And so, but at least that Shiba should, but most likely a higher probability, give you a double of your money, right? In the next little while, probably the next 3 months. Okay. That said, let's move on to Bitcoin TA. I'm hunting a short here on Bitcoin, and looks like it might have. I don't think it's over yet because I thought it was going to be, the short should be a little bit higher than this, but maybe it is because you're seeing there's a massive return here. But I'm looking for a short to enter here. But I'm notice here all these levels. Right. Remember, I had a whole bunch of other levels here, but I took them off because there's no point. All these levels were parking garages, which I told you guys about last time. So if Bitcoin wants to take off, its next level is pretty much even right here. Probably not that yellow line. And it's probably this line right here, this white one. So I'm almost like $43,000. So if it's going to go, it's going to break higher to the 43. So maybe my short, because I was looking for a Hail Mary short, if we break down again and then we do W, I think I'm going to not bother with the Hail Mary short. I'm just waiting for what it does. And if you don't know what the Hail Mary short is, then you need to join my personal group at davinci15.com. And if this does something like this, I'm going to get out of the way because you can see, right, that is clearly going to be a break. Let's just forget that wick. And we go from here to here. You can see a breakout would take us right to that yellow line. So not surprised if that's the case. So I'm going to wait for it to see what the price action does, and then I'm going to make the trade, decide on what the trade's going to be. Because honestly, looking at the overall price action, Bitcoin has changed its trend from upward trend to a downtrend. It hasn't been confirmed as a downtrend because it requires a newer lower high, and then break that lower high with a lower low on the 4-hour time frame, and we don't have that just yet. And so once that happens, it's going to happen probably down here. But then, there's not much left on the trend because it's all the way to 33K is where this trend is going to, or even lower, even as low as 28K. But this is most likely the trend. Are we going to see is it possible that Bitcoin head over and just, continue and blow up and head over to all-time highs? Yes, just not probable. Okay, looking at Ethereum, right, failed to take it itself all the way to the $2,300 level. I noticed that. It should have, it got close to the 2,300, but at 2,337-ish area, which was some support. This trade obviously did not work out. And now we're looking at this thing getting tired. And I'm predicting that this is a dead cat bounce, just like Bitcoin had a dead cat bounce. And it was just a weak dead cat bounce. And we're going to see Ethereum reverse heavily and head all the way down to at least the $2,000 mark before we see any kind of bounce. But here's the interesting thing. I think it's going to hold the $2,000 mark. I don't think it's going to go lower than that. Whilst Bitcoin has an option to go lower, I really think for some reason, I really believe that the $2,000 mark will hold. Now, if it doesn't hold, that's a whole other story. We're talking like 1,500 as a possibility, but let's not talk about that because that's pretty brutal for Ethereum. But I really think Ethereum has the strength to hold the market up and head to new highs and head to like almost $3,200 is the target I'm seeing. All right. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Meme coins are new meme coins are the thing. This is the new narrative for the next little while. That's where the money is moving towards. You might as well get in front of that and make some money and then move it all into Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.